Okay, so here we got the sorrel and the ginger. I grated my ginger because I think I get more out of the ginger when it grater than when you just smash it. Because my grandmother just smash it, right? Yep. So take a little piece of my kitchen outside dark and night now. Yeah. Yes. This are some fresh callaloo I cut since evening. And this are some spinach. Fresh spinach. Yep. From my garden. From my garden. I'm gonna give this to my next door neighbor. So it's not enough callaloo.